Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design this part in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks, and here we use millimeter units. So ensure to select in millimeter gram second. We can see again for this drawing. Here is front view, top view, and here is isometric view from this part. We start draw from front view. So right click on front plane, just click sketch. First, select center point arc and draw from this center. This. Draw like this. And draw again. Arc. Like this. And draw again. The last is to this. So we can do connect a line from this to this. Like this. Set for dimension, radius in 19, 24, and 30. So set for radius in here in 19, second in 24, and last in radius 30. Like this. So after that we can to draw line from this point to this to this to this. Set for distance, this edge to the center in 80 millimeter. So this line to this center put in 80 millimeter percent, and for thickness here in 14, like this. After you make sketch like this, just click feature and select extrude boss or base to change this sketch to solid parts. For direction, change in mid plane for symmetry part. And for selected contour, first just select this sketch. We can see here total width in here in 66 millimeter. So input in here for depth in 66 millimeter. Direction in midplane, just click OK. Click again on sketch 1 and click extrude boss or base. Now for select the contour, just select this sketch and this sketch. Direction in midplane, but we can see here. Here I have a gap in 3 millimeter and here in 3 millimeter. So 66 plus 3 plus 3 in is 72 millimeter. So I input here in 72 millimeter. Okay, click OK and done. So here to here have gap in 3 millimeter. After we make sketch like this, you can make sketch like this here. Have radius 17 and 24. Sorry, I have radius in 17 and radius in 22. Distance this to the center in 66. So we can to make new plane with click reference geometry. Just select plane. For first reference, we can choose in right plane, and for distance in here, offset distance in 66 millimeter. Because distance here the center to this in 66 millimeter. Click OK, and we have new plane. The name is plane 1. Now we can right click on this plane, just click sketch. Like before, we can to draw center point arc from this center, this to this, and draw again one this to this. So we can to connect this point to this point. Make a line this point until this point. Set for radius in 17 and here in 22 millimeter. 17 and 22. And draw line from here, here, here to here. And forget to set for gap this line to this in 3 millimeter. And for high, here have width or high thickness in 8 millimeter. So we can set in here in 8 millimeter. Just click mirror entities and mirror entities mirror. Select this line, and this line. Mirror about, we can select in front plane. Click OK. Here, click feature and click before we can to Click sketch and trim entities for this line and this. It just needs sketch like this, so just click feature, click extrude boss or base. For selected contour, just select this sketch here. But for direction, change in up to body. For body, just select this body. Click OK. And done. Now we can to hide for this plane. Right click and just click hide. And here for the hole in here is through until this. So don't forget to here have a cut in 44 in radius 24. So just click extrude cut. Sorry. First just click sketch 1 and click extrude cut. For direction change into mid plane. But for select the contour just select on this sketch. Just like on this sketch. For width in 44 millimeter. Click OK and done. Like this. And we must to cut a half in here, radius in 17 until this face. So we can to click on sketch 2, just click extrude cut again. For direction in here, for selected contour just select on this, and for direction we can to select in up to next automatically until this surface or this face. Click OK and done. It's easy. Don't forget to apply for fillet each corner edge in radius 5 and here in radius 5. Select fillet in here, set in 5 mm for radius. Click on this edge, corner edge, this edge and this edge. Click OK and done. It's easy like this. Now we can to make a sketch like this, have like a slope here, angle in 142 degree. So we can to make new plan, but we don't know for distance this center to this edge and this center to this. For example, we can to make reference geometry and make new plan in here. First reference just select on this face, click flip offset to this. For example, in here I set in 25 millimeter for offset distance, because here to the center in 25, so we can to set for distance this edge to this in 25 millimeter. We make new plan for this face in 25 millimeter. For example, here click OK. And here we have new plan again. The name is plan 2. Right click on this plan, just click sketch. Draw line. Click here to here. Right click on this line and click construction geometry. So we can to set for angle this line to this edge in 142 degree for angle, and distance this point to this edge here we can see in 12 millimeter. Here in 12 millimeter, and here have length the center to this in 25, so we can set in here in 25 millimeter. So we can do exit sketch and we can head for this plane. Right click and click hide. Now we must make plane again. Click reference geometry and just click plane. First reference just select on this line, and for second reference select on this face. Click OK. Now we can see have new plane again. The name is plane 3. Right click on this plane, just click sketch. We can do convert entities for this line. Click OK. And right click on this line and just click make construction geometry. Okay. Now we can to draw midpoint line from this point to this. Ensure this line click make vertical and set for the width in here in 20 millimeter. 20, and automatically it is sorry in 20 in here. So we can to draw circle from this point, this, because this have distance in 25 millimeter is correct. Here we can see for radius in 9, so diameter in here in 18, and second have radius in 17.55, so diameter in here in 35.1 millimeter. So make a line to connect this point to this, and make a line this to this. Click 3 minutes and erase for this and this. Then we can to click feature and click extrude boss or base. For direction we can do reverse direction, but direction in here change in up to body. For selected contour just select this sketch and this sketch. For body just select this body. Sorry, we can repeat it here. We have plan like this, sketch like this, and just click extrude boss or base. For selected contour just select this sketch and this sketch, and for direction change in up to body, select this body, click OK, and now we can to click again on sketch 4, click extrude cut. For direction change in through all, but for select contour just select on this sketch or this circle, direction in through all, just click OK, and done. Right click on this plan and click hide, and now we can to hide for this line. Right click and click hide, and we can do check in here in evaluate, measure this line to this have normal distance in 12 millimeter is correct, and we can check for this face to this face have angle in 142 degree. Okay, it's alright. And don't forget to make here 5 hole. Right click on this face, just click sketch, draw line, draw circle, this and this. Ensure this center of circle and this center of circle, just click make horizontal. This circle and this circle, click control and click make equal. Set for diameter, here have radius in 3, so diameter in 6. For distance, this center to this edge in 6, and this circle center to this edge in 8 millimeter, and here in 22. This circle to this circle distance in 22 millimeter. Just click mirror entities and this mirror, select this circle and this circle, and mirror about. We can select on front plane, click OK, and don't forget to make one again circle in this. Ensure this center to this center, this point, click control and just click make horizontal. Set for distance, the center of circle to this edge in 20 millimeter. Set for radius and radius in 7, so diameter in here in 14. Just click feature and click extrude cut. For direction we can set in through all, but reverse direction to top, just click OK. For direction, right click and click edit feature. For direction in here we can set in through all both, because we have circle in here. Just click OK, and done. It's easy and simple, and we can to set or change for color. Click this edit preferences maybe in this color. Click OK and click again. For color, you can click face and this gray. For this hole, this hole, this hole, this face, this face, this face, this face, this face, this face, and this face. Just click OK and done. It's perfect for beginner to intermediate practice how to send part like this in SolidWorks. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching all the end video and see you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching all the end video. See you.